Alright guys, so today we are learning LAYLA Eric Clapton female version. So it's gonna be in the key of B flat minor. So B flat minor, then A flat, so just 2 fret down, major this one, F sharp, G flat, so. Okay, and then you come back up, same. Okay, then you do A flat, F, A flat, and then you're gonna go on the A minor 7. Okay, so I recommend that you practice this. For me, this is the most difficult part of the song. Is this. So twice, third time, 4 times, F, and then you're gonna go on the A minor 7. So then, what will you do when you get lonely? A minor 7. Okay, you could do it here as well. So, what will you do when you get lonely? No one's waiting by your side. C, C7, go on the D minor. You've been running, G, and C hiding much too long. Okay, so you've been running. So notice here, the D minor is before you're singing, okay? You've been running and hiding much too long. Again, D minor. You know it's just your foolish pride, LAYLA. So now let's do it at tempo, from the top with the intro, okay? 1, get 2, and 1, and 2, and 3, and...